I'm going to show you how to hide all of the photos where you tagged on at once on Facebook. It's pretty easy. It is just one tap of a button to hide all of your timeline photos and posts. Check if Facebook is updated. Open App Store or Google Play Store and find Facebook. If there is a button Update, click on it and wait a couple seconds. Now open Facebook. Tap on these three lines. Scroll down and find Settings and Privacy. Now click here on Settings and click on your profile. At the top, you can see your privacy settings. Here you can see an option called Profile and Tagging. Click on it. You can see a list of options. Here under the section Tagging you can find an option called Who can see the post you were tagged on your profile. Now you can choose who can see that posts. Click on See More and choose Only Me. Now every post where you are tagged in will be private or only for you. Enjoy! That'll be it for this tutorial. For more videos like this, follow our channel. See you in the next video.